Howdy Doody, and welcome back to the channel. And today's little photo trip is to Sotherscales at the foot of Ingleborough. So yeah, that's Ingleborough there. I'll have a little walk around the corner to Sotherscales, a bit like Malham with the limestone pavement. So yeah, come along, let's see what we can get. I've made it now to the start of Sotherscales, bit of start of the limestone pavement. As you can see, all these lovely trees all over. Ingleborough in the background. So yeah, give you a quick spin round while we're here. A lot of fleeting light. Hopefully we'll might get some light on showing in Ingleborough. But yeah, we'll see how today goes. Across my first composition here. Just let you have a look at this. It's got a nice bit of limestone. I'm quite low, bit of limestone coming down this side, just with Ingleborough in between these two trees here that are just starting to bloom up. I'm going to start making my way over to this side. There's a nice little stone there. Hopefully get a leading line with that, looking towards Ingleborough, and we'll see how this turns out. But yeah, nice little start for the first image of the day. So I'll just take this, put on the 2-second timer. Yeah, and we'll see how that comes out. I think I found another one for you. I've just shot that boulder over there, so you've probably just seen that picture there. I've done a bit of a time lapse as well, so I hope that's come out for you. But yeah, just walking over here, try to get to the foot of Ingleborough. I'll show you a minute. This is dodgy heaven. So yeah, just be very careful when walking on this stuff. Obviously the limestone, very slippy when it's wet. It is due to give out showers later on. But yeah, this composition here, I've literally got these trees either side. There's a sheep just turned up. I'm bracketing at a minute. I'll get that sheep in as well on this one. I've actually got a bit of the limestone here just leading you through. I hope that comes out on the image, but yeah, it's just leading you through right to the hillside at the back. I don't know whether that's Whernside or not, but yeah, I've got a bit low just so I can cut that farmhouse out at the bottom. But yeah, that's another one from here. I'm going to try and make my way around now to the foot of Ingleborough and see what's around there. But yeah, there's compositions galore. It's just try to make it, try to get them right. Yeah, the trees are a little bit cluttered around here, so yeah, it's just try to dissect it a little bit. Right, I'll put this one right now for you. We'll make us way down there.
I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me.
I think I found another for you, walking over this limestone pavement. I'm actually perched over a bit of a crevice because I'm quite low. So if I just show you this. I'm trying to exaggerate that with Ingleborough in the background. So that's on the back of the camera at the moment. A bit of reflection coming off that. But yeah, it is looking quite dark and ominous at the minute, so probably this will be a black and white one. So yeah, another one. Just put you down a minute. Yeah, so that's another one in the bag. So yeah, I'm trying to look for just lines of this limestone. It's fantastic. So yeah, I'll pop this one up now for you. It's one or two isolated trees over there, so I'll have a look at them and we'll see where we go from here.
We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Right, I'm back with another little idea. I've got a tree here, and I think Wernside's just lit up in the distance. So I am bracketing, I am handholding. There's no way I can get the tripod down here, but I'll just try and show you what I'm thinking. So this is the sort of angle I was at, getting this crevice from the limestone, leaving straight through under the tree, and the tree just start arching away at the back of it. So yeah, hopefully that might come out. So yeah, I'll put it on now for you anyway. You can have a look either way. But yeah, let's try to do a few different ideas. So yeah, we'll carry on with this little wander and see what else we come up with. Right, we are just gently walking across now. Looks like we are just about to get a shower. I'm getting a bit hit in the face, but yeah, these few little sheep are on this limestone as well. So quickly show you around before the rain gets us. Yeah, that's one of the trees I've just taken. We're blending in the distance. So yeah, we'll have a little wander up here, see where this takes us. Must be a nice few trees further on, so yeah, we'll see where we go from here.
You and me, meant to be.
Yeah, I think I might have another one for you. Just turn around a bit. Oh, just take this now while there's a bit of light just hitting Ingleborough. But yeah, this I think it's an old hawthorn tree. Just took my eye. I've been thinking, trying to keep taking these as I'm talking. Just try to get something to sort of show it off. I've got Ingleborough sort of coming in between them. Trying not to let any branches cut into it, but the branch sort of sweeping round. Then also, got this little bit of a crevice here. Sort of leads you into it a little bit. So, yeah, that's another one for you. So, hopefully that one will come out. It should do. Whether it'll look right or not, I don't know, but I'll put it up anyway. But yeah, something that just took me eye, that with the old bark and stuff, a bit of texture. So I'll put that up now. Looks like we're getting joined by some more sheep up here. But yeah, I'll make my way further on and see what else we come across. Right, so yeah, back with another one. Bit easier than last time. I actually sat down rather than laid down, so yeah, I'll just spin you around and you can have a nosy. But yeah, I am. Just got this little dead branch here. Bit of the limestone leading you through it. Ingleborough in the background. And I've just about got this tree on the left hand side just coming in as well. Let's check this now. I'm bracketing. A bit of light's just hitting Ingleborough. So yeah, bit of an easier one than last time. So, but yeah, this place is great. You've got to be very careful walking on this limestone. I've stood on one or two which have been quite loose, so when this is wet, it'll be absolutely lethal. But yeah, what could you want like this? The Yorkshire Dales at its best yet again. So yeah, I'll pop this one up for you now. I've come a bit further around now, up to another part of the limestone on Sotherscales. It's more or less right next to the edge where, well, the path that takes you up to Ingleborough. So yeah, I've come across this little composition here. This tree, I keep calling it Whernside. I'll take an image now while that light's hitting the back. But basically, I've got the wide angle lens on. Taking in this little bit of contours here with the limestone on the left hand third, the tree on the right hand third, and Whernside in the background. But yeah, I think this one works. I think it works quite nicely as this, so I'll blob that up for you now. Then we'll have a little wander over there, up to this side here. Looks to be one or two nice little trees there. But yeah, we'll see what they come out like. So yeah, we'll carry on this little photo walk. Right, we're starting to come a bit higher now. And as you get a bit higher, you can actually see the full expanse of this. Look at this now. Amount of limestone and trees growing out of this. Unbelievable. So I think what I might do, when this thing does what it wants to do, I might try and flat spot where I can take the drone off, and I might get the drone up and take the drone over. Just see what the expanse of this is, because this is fantastic. So yeah, I'm making his way out to another little tree now, so when I get there, I'll bob that on and see what we can do with that one, and then I think we'll get the drone up. Right, found another little tree. It's got quite dark at the minute, so on this version it's going to be vertical with this tree here, just overlooking Whernside, and try to emphasise the clouds in the sky. So yeah, I've done a landscape version of this as well, so we'll see which one comes out the best, but either way I'll put them both up and you can have a look. I think we are going to be in for a few showers. It has got very dark at the minute, so yeah, these will probably be in black and white, very dark and moody, just to emphasise that sky. Right, I did shoot this tree from two different angles, so I put them both up. Yeah, nice looking tree is this. So yeah, I'll put them both up anyway. We'll start to make his way back down to where I parked the car. We'll see what else I can find. If I do, I'll bob them up on my way back so you can have a look. But yeah, another little vlog from Yorkshire on the limestone pavement at Sotherscales. So yeah, I'll spin you around now. It is getting very moody. Looks like we're going to have that shower after all, so yeah, I'll sign off now. If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time on his little photo walks. Bye for now. Yes, it is hailing, so I think it was a good call to go back to the car.